What is up, guys? Today, in Among Us, I think we are going to be trying out the 3 imposter challenge. So, right now I've changed the look on my character, and I already know that I'm not going to be an imposter, so, yeah, I already know that. Oh my goodness! Okay, so, alright, I guess I can't see so well. That's not good. Is it the same for the other people? I don't know. Let's quickly sabotage the lights, eh? That was really bad. Oh, yeah. Oh, jeez. Alright, here we go. This is gonna be really weird. Alright, where? Alright, Peachy. Socks sus. Okay. I guess skip. Sign sus if he votes me. Let's skip. Alright, we're skipping. Alright, let's skip. Why did White vote me? What the? Well, of course I tried to kill someone. Of course I killed someone. Alright, let's go ahead and kill White. So, where is White? Where'd White go? White, where are you? I want to kill you, because, you know, you kind of... White, where did you go? Alright, we got janitor there. Someone's in there. I don't like it. Oof, Peachy. Alright, let's vent. He killed him. Alright, that was scary. Ooh, we got Peachy here. No, Socks left the game. Oh, great. Alright, where? Alright, we might win this round, actually. It's gonna be pretty good. Alright, you know, I'm just voting White. I think it's White. And I'm just like, I think it's White. No, it's not White. I don't know. White sus. Yes! Get out! Oh my gosh. We got to kill White! Someone has to kill White! Alright, so easy way to do this. Sabotage lights, follow White. Oh, there's White. What? That was a glitch. We gotta mess these up. Don't turn these on. No, turn them off. Nope, turn them off. Nope, switch them off. Alright. That kill. Yeah, let's go! Yes! We did it, you guys! Alrighty, this is the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.